students, today we discuss about the derivative of a inverse function. See here one question. Differentiate the following function with respect to x. Y equal to sin inverse sin x. आर आम डेरिवेटिव बाहर करवा. x belongs to 0 ru 2 pi. We know y equal to sin inverse sin x. तार value हम x if x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Pi minus x if x belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Minus 2 pi plus x if x belongs to 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. First at pi by 2. At pi by 2 x equal to pi by 2. Left hand derivative means when x less than pi by 2 the function is x, its derivative is 1. Left hand derivative is 1 and a right hand derivative equal to right hand derivative means greater than pi by 2 हेले derivative of minus 1. तेणु at x equal to pi by 2 left hand derivative is 1 and right hand derivative is minus 1. So it is not differentiable at x equal to pi by 2. Similarly, at x equal to 3 pi by 2 left hand derivative, when x less than 3 pi by 2 the function is pi minus x, its derivative is minus 1. Left hand derivative is equal to minus 1 and a right hand derivative means when x greater than 3 pi by 2, just greater than 3 pi by 2, derivative is 1. So it is not differentiable at x equal to 3 pi by 2. So the function is not differentiable at a pi by 2 and a 3 by 2. So its derivative we write dy by dx is equal to the derivative of x is 1 if x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 at a closed interval pi by 2 open interval is equal to minus 1 if x belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Here both are open interval because at p by 2 it is not differentiable and 3 pi by 2 it is also not differentiable. Minus 2 pi by plus x, its derivative is 1 if x belongs to 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Here at 3 pi by 2 it is open interval, at 2 pi it is closed interval. This is the derivative. So derivative of a sin inverse sin x, it will be 1 at these two intervals and a minus 1 at this interval, but at pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 the function is not differentiable. Now see another question. Differentiate sin inverse 2x root over 1 minus x square with respect to x if minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1 by root 2. जितेबाला 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर रूट ओवर फॉर्म में थी आम ये एक्स जगह साइन थीटा और कॉस थीटा पुट करवा. सो पुट एक्स इक्वल टू साइन थीटा. नाउ द फंक्शन विल बी साइन इनवर्स 2x x मीन्स साइन थीटा रूट ओवर 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. साइन इनवर्स 2 sin theta 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta root over is cos theta. Sin inverse 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is sin 2 theta, that is sin 2 theta. So sin inverse sin 2 theta. Here given that minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1 by root 2 implies minus 1 by root 2 less than, at the place of x we write sin theta. So minus 1 by root 2 less than sin theta less than 1 by root 2. So we write it sin inverse minus 1 by root 2 less than theta less than sin inverse 1 by root 2, because sin inverse minus 1 by root 2, that is minus pi by 4 less than theta less than plus pi by 4 implies minus pi by 2 less than 2 theta less than pi by 2. We multiply 2 every terms. So 2 theta is minus pi by 2 pi by 2. So sin inverse sin 2 theta, this will be 2 theta. So fx equal to sin inverse sin 2 theta is equal to 2 theta is equal to 2 at the place of theta. Here see x equal to sin theta, it means theta equal to sin inverse x. We write at the place of theta sin inverse x. So fx is equal to 2 sin inverse x, f dash x is equal to 2. The derivative of a sin inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x square root over. So the derivative will be 2 by 1 minus x square root over. Finish.